Oh no! The animals escaped from the zoo, and they're so good at hiding, especially that elephant. Uh-oh.
Once there were some critters so tired of the zoo, they went back to nature, but did not have a clue what habitat would suit them, what spot would be their niche, what would they adapt to, what place would scratch their itch. So one dark night, they all took flight to find a brand new home. Who could have guessed they're on a quest to find the right biome? Biome, the right biome. They'll search day and night. Biome, the right biome. We hope they can set the right biome. It could be a desert that's hot and very dry. It could be a grassland with grass that's 4 feet high. It could be fresh water in which you like to jump. It could be a forest as long as it's not gum. Yeah, it could be some salty sea. There's lots of life in there. They make a voice far to the north, to tundra, cold and bare. Biome, the right biome. They'll search day and night. Biome, the right biome. We hope they can set the right biome. The right biome. The right biome.
Great job knocking over that fence, elephant. I did that. I thought elephants never forget. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, Beetle, why are you doing that? I don't know, settle down maybe by a condo? You can't do that. Who are you? We're leopard geckos, remember? We escaped with you. We escaped? What do you mean we can't settle down here? You have to find the right biome. Biome? Sure, the right habitat for your species, what you're adapted to. Take us leopard geckos, for example. We've adapted to the deserts of Central Asia. And when someone grabs my tail, it falls right off. So I can escape. Then it grows back later. You need to find a way barn for each of you.
Find your place. Animals and plants adapt. Go find your place. If they don't, then they get zapped. Go find your place.
from the get-go. Dimensions? Come on, the ocean's right over there. Maybe that's where we belong. Hey, look in that tide pool. Who are you? Oyster, also called sea snake.
We live in the marine biome.
It's the largest ecosystem. You think any of us fall in here?
I don't think so. It's not very impactful. But the ocean has evolved to the reactor is the open in the deep ocean.
There's a lot of strange stuff out there, but sticking right here close to shore. But out in these waters, there's floating sea otters, the whale and the dolphin and shark. And deep in the ocean, there are weird things in motion and creatures that glow in the dark. It's nasty, oh brother, they're eating each other, and there isn't one without scars. Our titles are taxing, we sit here relaxing, the starfish are always the stars. Close to shore, stuck right here, evermore. In these tide pools, where nobody's fool, close to shore. It's nasty, oh brother, they're eating each other, and there isn't one without scars. Our tide pools are taxing, we sit here relaxing, where starfish are always the stars. Close to shore, stuck right here, evermore. In these tide pools, where nobody's fool, close to shore.
Come on, let's go this way.
Who made you our leader?
I'm a king snake. That makes me. Does that make me princess?
No, you are an elephant.
I feel so pretty.
Does
Does it seem hot to you guys?
Of course, it's hot. This is tropical rainforest. We're macaws. You look like parrots. We are. We're one of hundreds of different kinds of parrots.
Rainforests are home to more than half of all the living plants and animal species. I'm not sure I'm cut out for all this heat and rain.
Maybe you belong in their forest.
But their land is covered with trees.
The citrus where the leaves all fall. There's evergreen where they don't at all. And tropical that's so hot and wet. Gorillas there sit around and sweat. Carnivorous in the filled with tongues. So many forests and so many Hey, watch where you're walking. Show a little respect. I think the grass is talking to us. Yes, we are the grasses of the Serengeti. We are part of the Banner grassland biome, which makes up half of Africa. You may have seen our our cousins, the tall grasses of the North American prairies, or the short grasses of the Russian steppes. So you just sit around all day being grass? That must be a sweet life. You think so, do you? It's no walk in the park. We grasses are at the bottom of the food chain. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're eaten by the antelope, for zebras we're a feast. Oh yeah, we're caught lunch and dinner by the wildebeest. We're stomped on by the elephants, you know what hippos like. Oh yeah, lions lying on us every single day. You want to be grass, be grass, be grass. Savannah's are no burning green. You want to be grass, be grass, be grass. Oh, we're just cuisine. Turn around and see the goats, hyenas laugh at you. Oh yeah, we just have to take it. What else can I do? Cause I'm not trampled on, you're likely to be chewed. On the Serengeti, we're the steady food. You want to be grass, be grass, be grass. Savannahs are no pudding green. You want to be grass, be grass, be grass. Oh, we're the cuisine. Oh, we're the cuisine. I like it here. I like it here. Their grass looks so yummy. And it sounds perfect for finding water stored in the middle of trees. Are you going to stay? Maybe later. No, I'll keep going until you find the bio. Elephant, you remember why we escaped from the zoo? We escaped from the zoo? Come on, let's go this way. Doesn't suddenly feel cold to you? Where'd all the trees go? The trees are thrown, there's lots of snow, but that's not why we're feeling low. I think that polar bear just opened eyes. This must be the Arctic tundra. Did you say you were feeling low? The tundra's best when big ice chest, but that's not why when you quest. Are you worried about the melting ice cap? Is it the short summers? I want a wine, it's so nice, but one what kills us every time! It's true we lost some permafrost, the ice shelves going blast, and summer's gone just 2 months long, the polar bears adjust. And yeah, could never adapt to that place. I could adapt it to peanuts. I don't think you're going to find any peanuts around here. I was going to eat that grass out there in Africa, but those guys seem a little annoyed enough already. I know just the place that I'm in the open. Yeah, in my belly. No, in my belly. I hate alligators. You stay away from elephants. Well, look at this down that hole. You don't want to get beaten up by a beetle. Ha 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 ha! I'm a Hercules beetle, the strongest animal on the planet. I can carry 850 times my own weight. Which is what? A walnut? Well, I just skiing with Jonas in that swamp. Ponds, lakes, streams, rivers. You'll love it there. As long as you're on top of the food chain like us. Who eats algae? Who eats moss? Does not taste like applesauce. Who eats algae? Tell me who. Tadpoles too. Who eats tadpoles? Tell me why. Does not taste like apple pie. Who eats tadpoles? Tell me who. Insects do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Food chain. Does it ever stop? Food chain. Glad we're on top. Who eats insects? Beetle pies. Would you like a side of flies? Who eats insects? Tell me who. Fishes do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Food chains. Elephant bite. Man, I've got an appetite. Who eats fishes? Tell me who. Alligators do. Do-do-do-do. Food chain. Does it ever stop? Food chain. Glad we're on top. Food chain. There's no absolutes. One day we may be someone who's. Oh, yuck! That's right, I've run away too. 850 times my own weight. I wish those alligators hadn't talked so much about eating. Hey, look under those trees. Mushrooms. I thought mushrooms grew on pizza. You'd better wait. Some mushrooms are poisonous. How many total kinds these are? We're wild mushrooms. You don't want to eat them. Okay, and we're decomposers. We have recycled dead plants and animals. We're very important in the ecosystem. Fungi are your friends. Fungi are your friends. Fungi are your friends. Mushrooms are local, but you don't eat your pals. When plants decompose, that's when fungus goes breaking down each part. Some hollow rock, that hurts a lot. It's nice and big, takes heart. Fungi are your friends. Fungi are your friends. Mushrooms, give us not just answers. We put nutrients back in the soil. Mushrooms, give a pipe, not just outside. Hold the garlic's barely olive oil. Fungi are your friends. Fungi are your friends. Fungi are your friends. Fungi are your What the regulation is built for this place.
We could use a company.
Yeah, us cats that can't get really out here in the Mojave.
Hot dogs take up 2% of the air surface.
I need some data. Are you coming, Christy? We've adapted to the desert. It's hot, it's dry, but look how I have adapted to the desert. There's sun, there's sand, and I get tan. I've adapted to the desert. 117 degrees would bring a lizard to its knees. But I have stems that keep me strong. Thanks for water all year long. My roots are deep, so rain can see. I'm adapted to the desert. It's hot, it's dry, but we cacti have adapted to the desert. Adapted to the desert. Adapted to the desert. This is the perfect place for me. And I'm headed back to the Amazonian rainforest. See, aren't you guys glad we escaped from the zoo? We escaped from the zoo? Elephant! Just messing with you. I'm off to the Serengeti. Looks like I found my home sweet biome. Once there were some critters so tired of the zoo. They went back to nature, but do not have a clue what habitat would suit them, what spot would be their niche, what would they adapt to, what place would scratch their itch. So one dark night, they all took flight to find a brand new home. Who could have guessed they're on a quest to find the right biome? Biome, the right biome. They'll search day and night. Biome, the right biome. We hope they can cite the right biome. The right biome. The right biome. Wow!
So if it's all right with all of you, I'd like to address my comments directly to the kids. So first and second graders, that performance was absolutely exquisite. You remembered all of your lines, you sang so loudly and so clearly, and more important, you understood every single concept that you sang about in the play. Since January, you have brought so much passion to our study of biomes and animals and their adaptations, and we've stretched you as your teachers through research projects and science experiments and dioramas, and you guys rose to the challenge. So you should all feel so incredibly proud of yourselves today. So there are a lot of people who made this project possible, so I would just like to thank them quickly. First and foremost, Debbie Finkelstein, come on up here. Is our theater arts director. She took charge of casting, choreographing, blocking, directing, and assisting their students in learning their acting skills as best as possible. Noah Shimshoni, who's not here right now, is our music teacher, and she helped the students learn all the lyrics to these very catchy songs. Andrea Downey, our art teacher, she inspired our students to depict their animals through a diorama that you'll be able to look at later. And she let Emily and I take over her classroom during recess so we can really work with the kids in making it as beautiful as possible. Connie Kruger, our librarian, taught our students the research skills, and they'll be able to show those off to you in just a few minutes. Mary worked closely with us on the research and helped the students write their how-to poems and their day in the life of stories, which are also on display. Pam, our videographer, filmed this several days ago. Leah is helped us with our 3D printing, so you'll be able to see all of the 3D printed objects that the animals that the kids studied. We 3D printed them, so they have a copy of that as well. I would like to thank Maura Beth and Maura Rivka for letting us be messy in your classrooms and for listening to the students sing endlessly and for supporting our project. I can't thank Emily enough for being an excellent co-teacher in this endeavor. When I came to her a few months ago with this idea to build biomes for our students in the classrooms, she drove us to Home Depot and bought our plant supplies. So through all of the research experiments that we've done and all of the writing and reading, it's been joint teamwork between the first and second grade, and I couldn't have asked for a better partner in doing that. Thank you to our room parents for bringing delicious treats for our first and second graders to help celebrate this milestone. And a special thank you to Mrs. Amy Gold for inspiring the vision of the Amy planted the seeds for this project to be a joint study between first and second grade and really supported everything that we've done with it, from the research to the biomes to the play, and we can't thank you enough for encouraging us to do that. And I think our first and second graders need another round of applause.
What's sort of been a three-part project. So we've been studying animals, habitats, and adaptations. And the play was a big part of what the students have been working on. But there were two other major components. One of them was a research project, like Jenna said, that each of the students took on. They chose their own animal, and they did lots of research using different kinds of nonfiction texts and videos. And they took notes and made amazing dioramas that demonstrate what they learned. And they also did some really cool writing that you can see next to their diorama. So that's the second part of the three-part process. The third part was we studied 5 different biomes. They're all built over here, and did lots of investigative experiments to learn about different animals, habitats, and adaptations within each biome. So you can look through the students' science journals that are on their display and ask them about how tall a giraffe is and why cacti are so good at holding water in the desert. So you can find out all kinds of things. Let's ask the first and second graders to go to your displays.
Hold on one second. Oh, yeah. Oh, you guys silently, you silently walk to your station. Silently to your station. And I just want to say that they're being modest. Emily and Jenna and
No peeps.
I also thank them for the extraordinary work that they did in conceiving this. And we all know that the best kind of learning is the kind of learning that activates all parts of your brain, and whether it's the research, the science, the acting, the singing, the writing, the reading, and this unit really will be forever. These children will remember this, what they've learned, and the experience of being together. So, Mamash, thank you so much to both of you. And
whoa, whoa.